How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at Dylanberg999. I'm just gonna keep going along with the questions that I get from subscribers. Again, if any of you are wondering why I'm bringing back this topic, is because I keep getting question after question after question on my channel about me to continue making these videos. So I'm going to continue making them, and we're just going to go in order. I'm going to answer people's questions, and that's basically how this video topic is going to go. So it's super easy, and yeah, at the end of the video, I'll tell you my way of getting rid of the hickey. Then you guys can kind of do whatever you want with that. But yeah, let's get started. So I got a question from a subscriber. They want to know, can you get rid of a hickey with chapstick? Now, chapstick is topical, which means you just rub it on your skin. Now, this could possibly work, but in my opinion, it probably won't, just because it's not really doing anything. All it is it's topical. Anything that's topical, like anything you can apply to your skin, isn't going to be the best in my opinion, simply for the fact that even if it does work, let's just say it worked magically, anything topically is going to take at least a couple hours, maybe probably 5-6 hours, maybe even a day or two. Like if you get a prescription at the doctor for like a cream to apply to a fungus or something like that, it's going to take a couple of days easily for you to get rid of it. So I don't think the chapstick is going to work, subscriber. And even if you apply it and it did somehow work, which again, I doubt it will, then it's going to take at least 2 to 3 days easily to get rid of it, easily. So my opinion, I would not mess around with this. I would do what I do. And again, what I do is I get a coin, I get a spoon, doesn't really matter. And all I do is I rub the area. That is it. As simple as that. Very easy, very simple, very effective. All I do is I rub it for 2 minutes, and then generally it is gone. Sometimes you have to rub the hickey area for 5 minutes if it's being a little bit stubborn, but after the 5 minutes, it's going to be completely gone. Redness, this is common. Once you are rubbing the area, it will become red for every single person. You're not an exception. Everybody's skin will get red. It's because you're rubbing on it for 2 to 5 minutes. Let the redness go away. With the redness, your hickey will also be gone. So hopefully I answer your question, subscriber. Again, at the end of these videos, I always tell you my way of getting rid of it, just so the people watching can have a better understanding. But yeah, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thanks.